Coal and petroleum are examples of. And the correct answer is. They are obtained from nature and are exhaustible, thus called natural resources. Coal is mainly composed of. And the correct answer is. Coal mainly contains carbon, formed from dead vegetation, through carbonization. Coke is used in the. And the correct answer is. Coke is an almost pure form of carbon, used in metallurgy and steelmaking. Coal gas was first used for street lighting in. And the correct answer is. Coal gas was first used in London in 1810, then New York in 1820. The process of formation of coal is known as. And the correct answer is. Dead plants turn to coal under heat and pressure over time in a process called carbonization. Bitumen is used in place of coal tar for. And the correct answer is. Bitumen, a petroleum product, replaces coal tar in metaling roads. Which of the following is not obtained from coal? And the correct answer is. CNG is derived from natural gas, not coal. The word petroleum means. And the correct answer is. Petroleum comes from the Latin words patra, rock, and oleum, oil. Petroleum was formed from. And the correct answer is. Petroleum was formed from Dead Sea organisms buried under sediments. The world's first oil well was drilled in. And the correct answer is. The first oil well was drilled in Pennsylvania, USA, in 1859. Petroleum gas in liquid form is known as. And the correct answer is. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, is the liquid form of petroleum gas used in homes. Diesel is mainly used in. And the correct answer is. Diesel fuels heavy motor vehicles and electric generators. Which of the following is not a petrochemical? And the correct answer is. Coke is from coal, not a petroleum product. Others are petrochemicals. Natural gas is transported through. And the correct answer is. Natural gas is efficiently transported through pipelines. Natural gas is compressed and stored as. And the correct answer is. It is stored under high pressure as compressed natural gas, CNG. A major advantage of CNG is. And the correct answer is CNG is a clean and less polluting fuel, suitable for transport. In India, natural gas is found in all except and the correct answer is Himachal Pradesh is not mentioned as a gas-rich region. The process of separating petroleum into useful products is and the correct answer is refining is the process of separating petroleum into its constituents. Which of the following is used in ointments and candles? And the correct answer is paraffin wax is used in ointments, candles, and waistline. PCRA suggests maintaining correct ___ to save fuel. And the correct answer is correct tire pressure improves mileage and reduces fuel use. The black, thick liquid with foul smell from coal is and the correct answer is coal tar is a black, smelly liquid with 200 plus substances. Fossil fuels are called so because they are and the correct answer is they originate from remains of plants and animals millions of years ago. Which one is the least polluting fuel? And the correct answer is CNG is a clean-burning, low-pollution fuel. Burning fossil fuels mainly causes and the correct answer is combustion of fossil fuels releases harmful gases causing air pollution. Petroleum is often called and the correct answer is due to its high commercial value, petroleum is often called black gold.